Okay guys, so I am working from home today, as you might have gathered, but we are looking at chapter 14, which is over ratios and proportions. And a ratio is just an equivalent fraction. So what I would do, I'm going to read the problem to you in a minute, but if you know the problem's over ratios, just do this. Just fill it in. So let's read the problem. You go to Thailand with 8,375,000 Vietnamese dong. You exchange that money to Thai baht. Every one Thai baht is 766.30 VND. How much in Thai baht do you receive? So what you can do THB. You can do this two ways, but I think this is easiest. Sorry. Vietnamese dong. Okay, so for every one Thai baht, 766.30. 766.30, and you came with 8,375,000. 8,375,000. Okay, and that's our x. So we're trying to figure out how many Thai baht. So that is our variable. That's what's representing. That's what the x is representing. So we can just easily solve this by. These get a little bit more complicated, but they're mostly straightforward. So we're going to cross multiply because we have equivalent fractions. We're multiplying across and equals. So we've got 8,375,000. 375,000. And we're going to multiply it by 1. Well, we know what that is. It's the same. And then we're going to divide it by 766.30x divided by 766. And we get x is equal to 10,929. 14 Thai baht, which that would round to 10,929 because they don't have change that specific in Thailand. But I just want to talk to you about something else about Thailand. Is it used to be the USD, US dollar, to the Thai baht was 1 to 30. And I moved there when did I move here? 2018. 2014. And then it changed. It became 1 US dollar to 35 Thai baht. And I changed my money. I closed the account. I knew I was leaving Thailand. I was going to the Philippines at the time. I moved my money back to the US. And what do you think happened is I lost a lot of money. Well, what fraction of my money did I lose? And I had a pretty considerable amount of money in there in my Thai bank account. I lost 1/7 of my money of what I transferred. I lost 1/7 of that was equal to that. So what I should have done is waited, because I noticed that the Thai baht went back. It got stronger against the US dollar, and I should have waited and kept my account open, but I didn't. Oh well.